look, we're going to be eating jollof rice and doing our makeup. So I suggest you grab yourself a nice hot plate and chill with me. It's a vibe today. Want some? Oh my goodness. Y'all see that smoke, that fire? Whew. That's why I have a double chin, okay? Or a triple chin, not even a double, triple. Okay, so now that the primer is on, I'm also going to be sticking with the Fenty Beauty cosmetics line. Taking that. And I love this foundation because it literally matches my skin. Like, can you guys even tell the difference from like no foundation up here to foundation down here? Like, and then next I'll be going in with the Fenty Beauty concealer, also in the shade, what shade are you? 470. So it's 2 shades lighter than my foundation. And then to use as contour, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Mix to Match Adjuster in the darkest shade that they have. And I'm going to be putting that on the back of my hand, just so it's easier to work with. Do you guys see that? Like, every time I use this, I get so excited because honestly, there is not enough contouring shade for women of color, for dark skinned women of color. Like, they're either too gray or charcoal, or just do not work for my skin and other dark skinned women's skin, period. So the fact that this works and I'm also able to see it, like, yo, come on, e.l.f. And this was only like $6. So I don't like baking, but just to set my eyes just a little bit, I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty foundation. Oh no. Going in with my Fenty Beauty powder in the shade Coffee. So I'm going into my Morphe 35M palette. This is what it looks like. Such a pretty fall palette. And I'm going to be taking this dark brown shade in the corner. Into this really nice gold shade in the palette. Oh yes, like, do you see that? Give it to me. It is so like, wow. Like, if I was to be an eyeshadow, I would be this kind of eyeshadow. Like, so much personality in the eyeshadow. Okay. Wow, I am kind of cute.
You're kind of cute, boo.
Be some highlighter from Fenty Beauty. It is the ones in the shade Ginger Binge and Mascara Mule. And then going back into the Morphe palette, I'm picking up that brown color and just smoking out my under eye. So for the lips, I'm going with the LA color lip liner in the color brown. Alright guys, this is the end of the makeup look. We're looking very glazed donut. We're looking very highlighted glow to the gods, honey. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, just, you know, do what you gotta do. Ring the bell notification button that is going to be down here below. And don't forget to follow me on my social medias. They will also be linked down below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great one.